Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another video, and today we're going to see Cash App free money, how to get free money on Cash App, iOS/Android, fire emoji, tutorial, green checkbox. Okay, so here we are. We're checking out another Cash App free money hack video. This one is from Free Sound. It has 40,000 views. 500 thumbs ups. Basically, I take a look at these, I review them, I see if they're legit or not, and I let you guys know what I think. I have tons of Cash App tutorials on my channel, tons of mobile app tutorials, tips, tricks, experiments, things like that, so you can check those out as well if you're interested. Let's get into this one, see what it's all about, see what kind of scam they got going on. Let's click play. And boom! You just got 11K for free. Let's go. It's your boy. This guy's got like that Russian accent. Free Cash App money instantly, no problems. He's not giving away a phone. That's fake too. All right, get on with it, buddy. Let's get it moving. We know you're not giving away a free phone. Yeah, let's see it.
The first thing I want to tell you is that it works perfectly for both Android and iOS devices without any problems.
Yeah, I bet.
Dispatcher.cash, that's the website. That's the only
I don't recommend going to this site. Start generation.
And the first thing we need to do
Put in a username.
Cash App tag or username. I will enter mine real quick. And right now we need to choose the
Don't recommend putting in your name.
maximum.
So you just choose the amount and you click generate. Sounds kind of sketchy, you know?
On my Cash App, I will show you after how I got the money. So click on the start generating button and you will need to wait a couple of seconds for the server.
You just click and you wait.
It has to prepare because this is right now the
Click with your finger.
money free method.
Click it.
That will work without any problems and for
Not
the
tap.
version of the app.
Click.
If you wanted to get some free Cash App money, you're on the right video. Okay guys, click on the verify now button and I will now show you what exactly.
This is going to be one of those ones where he has to like download 2 apps and play with the apps for a little bit. How does he make this stuff up? Like, how does he even make it up and sound legit? I just want to see the end. Download the apps. You go on them for 30 seconds each. This is what a lot of them say. This definitely isn't going to work. Watch for the cuts.
So guys, 30 seconds for all 3 apps passed, and right now the only thing you need to do is to wait for
Break this down.
2 to 3 minutes for your money to arrive on your Cash App. So we will now be back in a couple of minutes to check my Cash App balance. See ya. Okay guys, we're back.
This is where he cut.
As you can see, I've got tons of money.
He didn't actually open the app, he opened a video here.
As you can see, I've got
So now a video is playing on his phone that just loaded money onto his account.
Thank you guys for watching.
He can't actually tap on the screen because it's just a video, it's not an actual app at this point. He cut and he opened this video.
And don't forget to be part
Bruh, come on. Nobody's falling for this. Nobody's falling for that, bruh. But there you have it. That one was obviously a scam. Those don't work. They're not going to work ever. They're completely fake. They use them just to get people to download their apps, and then they'll make some money from the ad revenue and stuff like that. They probably also send your information to scam lists. So I definitely don't recommend putting in your Cash App name on any websites like that. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below. Let us know what you think. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay, don't blame your problems on the past.